I never did that, Honorable. I never did that.
But you never did? You never contacted him?
No, I never did that.
Okay.
I never did that.
Can you confirm that you were the one who introduced Amadou Kora to Honorable Tabale?
Let's put this in context, Honorable, if you permit.
Please, you're allowed.
Amadou Kora came like any other person. That is how I saw him. In fact, I wouldn't know whether he knows anything about cattle sales. He merely came like any other person and said that, he has some experience in the sale of cattle. And I told the sheriff's team, and when I told the sheriff's team, that was not to impose whatever on the sheriff. And like I said, if I were the one who procured him, I'll ensure that he does the job to the end of the exercise. This man came only 2-3 days and he left. And when he came, of course, if he comes naturally, he must have someone to talk to first before he gets into the arena. So when he told me that he could do it, I told them that, well, this man also said he has some experience. So many people were assisting in the process. We have to be honest here. Many people were assisting in the process. So when I introduced it to him, and he was accepted, and that is how he came to assist. Because if I were the one who procured him, then I would have arrangements for his payment as well. And that did not happen. And I believe he will also speak the truth that he was there, but only a few days, and in fact he was not paid. So obviously, if I had procured me, I'll also make sure that he's paid and he stays to the end of the exercise. But I will be honest, I will not move away from that, and I'm saying it for the second time. I'm not going to disown Amadou Kora, and I'm not going to distance myself from him because he was a third party who came and found on the ground. Indeed, he came and we accepted him, and indeed, he has helped us.
You know what's baffling me? I ask you a simple question. And I've given you all the opportunity. You've narrated for over a minute, but you didn't answer my question.
Okay.
Can you answer it now?
That is to say, what question is that? If you may please repeat the question, please.
Are you the one who introduced Amadou Kora to Honorable Tabale?
Yes, in the situation in which I explained it.
Now, this is my question. Gilma was the one instructed, or the sheriff was instructed to work with Gilma, because they have the expertise, they have the background knowledge. The Iron said that you never consulted Gilma. You didn't even go close to them. But you were comfortable to introduce someone else to them. Why?
The procurement of Gilma, or the information that should go to Gilma, should not come from me, it should come from the office of the sheriff.
Did you remind the sheriff, since you were there to witness?
No.
No, wait. You said it. I didn't. You said you were there to witness.
Yes, I said so.
Not so.
You mean when I reminded him?
Wait.
Yes.
If you don't wait for me to finish my questions, you'll always be answering.
That's right.
You said you were there to witness.
Yes. Yes.
Did you at any point, before introducing Amadou Kora to the sheriff, remind the sheriff about Gilma?
No.
Why?
It would not occur to me. That's their responsibility, Honorable. With all honesty, that's their responsibility. It's not me. The court order was not directed to me.
Yes. Mr. Jallow, you are a legal professional.
Yes.
Allow me. You see, when you are talking, if you listen very well, I don't interject you. Even though you will not be answering questions directly. But I give you that respect.
That's right.
I will just be calm. So just allow me. When I'm ready, you can. You are a legal person. There was a court order. There was a court order. If at all there should be anybody, any professionals in this country, that should make sure they defend the law. It should be people from the Ministry of Justice.
Correct.
And Judiciary.
Correct.
And you were not a layman. You were holding a high institution. Saying it will not occur to me, that is sending a wrong signal. A very, very wrong signal. Because she knew very well that the sheriff would never go out and conduct that sales without a court order. So I'll ask you again, why didn't you remind the sheriff of his responsibility?
I'm not obligated. I don't have a responsibility to remind him.
But you are obligated to to introduce a third party who will assume a responsibility that is already defined in the court order.
I'm not obligated to introduce a third party. The third party introduced himself, and I thought, and I now brought him to the sheriff, and he was accepted. It was not a procurement as in a normal course of transaction.
Mr. Jallow,
Yes, Honorable.
did you see the court order?
At that material moment, I did not read it, but I know that it exists, but I did not read it.
Mr. Jallow, what was your position by then in the government?
Acting Registrar General.
Acting Registrar General.
Correct.
You went to witness sheriff sales, which was by virtue of a court order. You did not even read the order, and you said you were on the ground to witness. What were you witnessing?
The sales, Honorable, at least it is known that there was a court order. It is clear. The court order is not directed to me, Honorable. The court order is directed to the Honorable Sheriff. Whatever the arrangements for that sales would be the responsibility of the Sheriff, Honorable, with all honesty.
Mr. Jallow,
Yes.
you will take responsibility here because you are a professional. Before going to the ground, did you inform anybody?
Yes.
Who did you inform?
My Honorable Minister.
Your Honorable Minister.
Yes.
And what did he tell you?
Go and witness.
Go and witness the sales. That sales, who authorized it? Where did the order come from?
The court.
The court. If the Honorable Minister asks you to go and perform a duty, ordinarily, what do you do?
I'll go and participate.
You'll go and participate. You wouldn't try to know what the job is. You wouldn't try to know what procedures are there. You wouldn't try to know what the order is. You wouldn't try to know what the law says about that job.
In any transaction,
I'm asking you,
yes.
this time I'll be strict.
Yes.
Don't answer me on general terms. I've asked the question. Answer it now.
Honorable, if you ask a question, I have a responsibility to myself to answer it the way I think it should be answered.
You don't.
Otherwise,
Listen to me.
Yes.
Listen to me.
Yes.
You don't have the responsibility
Yes.
to answer it the way it has to be.
Yes.
The responsibility you have
Yes.
is to answer it with the truth.
Indeed, I will answer it with the truth,
Now
and that is what
continue.
I'm doing.
Continue.
These arrangements for any such transaction would be done by the person to whom the order is directed. Any other person who is there only at the instance of that particular individual. So whether or not I have asked the sheriff or not, that is immaterial, Honorable.
I'm not bringing the sheriff here.
Yes.
You said you went to witness the sales at the instance of the Honorable Minister.
Indeed.
Not so.
Indeed.
So now the Honorable Minister did not order the sheriff. The Honorable Minister ordered you.
Yes.
So let us take the sheriff out of this equation.
Yes.
Now I'm asking you, if you are to execute a responsibility at the instance of the Honorable Minister, what should you do? Do you just go blindly and execute it without knowing the terms and conditions, without knowing the responsibility, without knowing what you are doing?
I already have knowledge of what was supposed to happen.
What would that knowledge be based on?
The knowledge is based on the fact that a court order has been obtained for the sale of the cattle.
Thank you.
And all the arrangements.
Allow me.
Yes.
Thank you. The fact is based on that a court order have been granted.
That's correct.
Now, did you read that court order?
Read or not read.
Mr. Jallow.
Yes.
Mr. Jallow.
Yes.
Did you read that court order?
I did not read at that material moment. I did not.
You did not read that.
I did not read it.
And now,
Yes.
were you not obliged to read that court order?
No, I wasn't obliged under the circumstances. Because the person who received
Now
the
allow
court
me.
order is a legal person.
Now allow me.
Yes.
I'll put it to you that the fact that you went to witness the cattle sales at the instance of the Attorney General, that make it obligatory upon you to know what you were supposed to do, and the only thing that could have told you what you were supposed to do was to read the court order. Because if you have read the court order, you would not have introduced Mr. Arnold Kora to Honorable Tabali. Or even if at all you were going to introduce to him, you would have first asked him whether he consulted Gilma.
I never asked him.
Yes, because you never read the court order. And you should have. Now I will ask you a simple question. In hindsight, would you have read the court order or not?
Absolutely, I would have.
Now let's move on to the sales. The cattle that were sold At the abattoir. Where these sales, where did they occur?
At the sites.
At the sites.
Not
Can you tell us the sites?
Kanilai, Banjuluning, Parato.
How many cattle were sold in Kanilai?
I wouldn't know exactly how many were sold in Kanilai.
How many cattle were sold in Banjuluning?
I wouldn't know on top of my, except if the report indicated it.
How many cattle were sold in Farato?
I wouldn't know until the reports are indicated.
And
if it is indicated in the report, then yes, I can remind myself.
Since 3 o'clock, you said you were there and you were supposed to be there naturally because you took the inventory. What the committee was expecting is, if that was the reason for you going, you should be having your inventory on one hand and correlating it against what was sold for accountability purposes. At least for the bare minimum, you should have been in a position to tell us, in Kanilai when I went, the inventory was X, they sold Y. In Farato when I went, the inventory was A, they sold B. In Banjulin when I was there, the inventory was D, they sold E, because you said naturally that was your responsibility.
Honorable.
Yes, please.
I did not take record of what they were doing. You see, I was out of that. They were the ones taking the records, and they were the ones also recording the money, and they were the ones that deposited the money.
I agree.
I'm waiting for the sheriff report.
I agree.
If you have the sheriff report, then you can do a reconciliation. Then you will know, in Banjulunding, how many cattle did you record? 10. How much did they sell? They will indicate it. And that is what they have done, Honorable. So I would not take records. Maybe that's your standard, but I feel that the way it happened, it was okay, and that the mere fact that they have shared a report also indicated how many cattle were sold, and you can reconcile that with what you had already taken inventory of, Honorable.
Okay, I will take that for you.
Yeah, please.
So in this case, was the report shared?
Yes, it was shared.
How much did they sell in Kanilai?
7 in Kanilai.
Yes. How many was sold in Kanilai?
Let me check. Go into the report, please. $625.
Sold 625 in Kanilai?
Yes.
That exceeds the number of cattle sold, because the number of cattle sold was not even 500. How many cattle did they sell in Kanilai?
625.
They did not sell 625.
Well, that is what they reported.
That's what they reported. Yourself, when you counted the sales report, you said they sold 444.
Yeah, when I first counted.
Even though that differs with what we have. How many did they sell in Farato?
67.
67. How many did they sell in Banjolinde?
32.
32. And yourself now, can you confirm that those figures you are reading are inconsistent with the sales report that you submit to this committee?
Indeed, their report was fundamentally flawed.
No, I'm saying, can you confirm that it is inconsistent?
Yeah, that is inconsistent.
With the report that you've sent to us?
Yeah, it's inconsistent.
So in hindsight, if you had done the reconciliation, you wouldn't have waited for this day to do the correction.
Actually, they were... Okay,
Just allow me. You would have picked up these discrepancies, and then maybe you would have helped in the process. Bring it to the attention of the Attorney General, bring it to the attention of the General Commission when it was active, and remedial actions would have been taken. Is that right?
That's correct.
Now let's move in the interest of time. The cattle's inventory that you took in Kanilai, did you disaggregate the data into... Okay, before that, how are you doing the sales?
It was an auction sale.
No, I know. How were you classifying the cattle?
Well, it depends on size. If it's a large one or a small one, it depends on what the person will pay. That's how it was.
Can you look at the report you submit to us and look at the descriptions and tell us exactly what they were using?
The standard they were using?
Yes. Not the standard, how they were classifying the cattle.
Some were classified as calves. Some were classified as small cow. Some were classified as bulls. And some were classified just as cows.
Some were classified as cows.
Yeah, as cow.
Okay. Does the word cyclic calf ring a bell to you?
Yeah, there were sickly cows. Very sickly cows were there.
Does the classification sickly cows also ring a bell to you?
Yeah, there were sickly cows that I can't remember.
Does the classification different also ring a bell to you? Because some of them were classified as different.
As in
Different only. For that,
different.
I will refer you to the sales report of the tent. You can go there. Go to the sales report of the tent.
Okay.
10th January.
Yes, Honorable.
Are you there?
I have already closed my book, but okay, I'm there. I'm there.
You are there.
Yeah.
Can you read the first two names?
Let me check
The first name
let me
on the
see
10th.
Let me see the dates first.
10th of January.
Am I mistaken? I'm not seeing a date here. Which of the pages? In terms of the paging, I'm not seeing dates, here.
You said you submitted that report to us, not so?
Yes.
And that's where we took it from.
Okay.
And your sales were on the 9th, on the 10th, on the 17th,
okay,
on the
okay,
23rd, and on the 30th.
Okay.
Obviously, you must have on the 10th in that record.
10th. Wait. It should be in the report then. It should be in the report. Honorable, for the in interest of time, could you?
No. I want
direct me to the page. Which page?
I use your report to generate this.
Because I'm not
And
seeing
your
this
report is
specific
not numbered. It's just the sales record.
date. Yes. Okay. The sales record.
The sales record, yes. Your report is not numbered. The only reference there is the date, which is the 10th of January.
Let me see whether this has it.
Is that the sales report?
Yes, the sales
Yes.
report.
Then once you reach on the 10th, this should be the first two. Are you on the 10th?
Because I'm not seeing a date here, Honorable.
Jao, can you help him, please?
Please,
Jao, help him.
Which one? Because there is no date indicated here.
What am I next year?
You're right. Yes, I see now. I'm only looking at this place. Honorable, yes, I've seen on the 10th.
Can you tell us the first name there?
Mamanding Fati.
How much was the quantity? On the 10th.
On the 10th,
On the 10th, can you give us the name on the 10th, please?
Mamanding Fati. One female cow.
10th of January.
Yes, 2018.
Mamanding Fati.
Tenth, 1st, 18. Mamanding Fati. One female cow.
Just give me a minute. Just a minute. Obviously, that cannot be the start of the 10th. The 10th here, it is Musa Sow.
Or you mean the beginning? Or the beginning of the 10th, you mean? The first one?
Yes.
Okay.
This one.
That's what I told you.
Okay. Musa
The
Sow.
first name should be at the beginning.
Musa Sow, yeah.
Musa Sow. Yes. And tell us, what do we have
What
in the
is
description? What is written on the description?
my understanding of this description?
No, what is written on the description, Mr.?
Different.
Different.
Yeah.
Can you move to the other one, the other name, the same on the 10th?
Alaji Modu Cham.
Alaji Modu Chan.
Yes.
What is written on the description?
Different.
Different. How much was the quantity purchased by Mamadi? By Musa Sow?
94.
94. And how much was purchased by Alieu Modu Cham?
60.
Which means in total they bought 154. Can you go on the 30th? Can you go on the 30th?
Yes, Honorable.
Look at the last name. You wouldn't have that on your record in that book?
No, it's not here. It's not here.
The last name there as well is Musa Sow. He bought 40 and it is treated as different. Now, can you tell us what this different means? Because we know cows, we know bull, we know cows, small cow, big cow, but what do you mean by different?
What I understand from their records, what they mean by different.
No. In this instance,
yes,
you cannot go out of it. It's no longer their record. You witness it, and you are asked by the lead counsel and honorable members with regards to your signature, and you've taken responsibility. And you've told lead counsel that you are a considerate person. That's why the individual who came to volunteer,
I cannot disown him.
Thank you. So don't disown this report. Look, allow me. This report belongs to you. Don't disown it. So now tell us what you mean by 40.
By different.
By different, right?
Meaning there could be a cow, there could be a bull, there could be a small bull, there could be a female, a calf. That is what they meant by different. That is what I understand to be different. So if it is, let's say, all of it are bulls,